Welcome to our hands-on experience with the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE in both the gray and black color options. Samsung calls this one on the left soft gray, but honestly, it looks more like white to me. Maybe it's just the contrast against the bold black option. Let's start with the gray version. The charging case packs a 515 mAh battery, giving you 3 to 4 full recharges for the earbuds while you're on the move. However, it does not support wireless charging. The case has a matte finish chassis, which will resist fingerprints, but not its transparent lid. On the front, you get an indicator light to give you an idea of how much battery life remains. On the bottom, you will find the Bluetooth pairing button right next to the USB-C charging port. The pairing button makes it easy to pair the earbuds with your devices, but Samsung placing the charging port at the bottom means the case can't charge while sitting upright. You can't see it, but the Buds 3 FE has an 11mm dynamic driver, up from 6.5mm, that means noticeably more powerful bass. The earbuds also feature a stem-style design, which doubles as pinch and swipe controls, allowing you to make easy playback and volume adjustments. Now, let's take a closer look at the black version. This indicator light also tells you when the earbuds inside are fully charged. I can understand placing the pairing button on the bottom, but again, it's questionable why Samsung would place the USB port here. At the bottom of the earbud cradles, you can see the charging pins that connect to each earbud. The earbuds not only feature a new stem design, they are also IP54 rated for dust and water resistance. This means they can withstand water splashes from any angle and can therefore be used in light to moderate rain. Samsung has also improved active noise cancellation in the Buds 3 FE, improving not just its audio performance, but also noise reduction. We hope this hands-on look at the Galaxy Buds 3 FE in both color options was helpful. For more details, please check out our full review linked in the description below. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting the channel through the links below. Thanks for watching.